You all know him. You love him. I know the first time I saw this guy was on the opening title for Dragon Ball Super. This came. This form came during the appearance of Super Saiyan God. Well, I got to see him during the Dragon Ball Super. The name of this transformation is known as Super Saiyan 3. And you have probably already noticed I've drawn a lot of Super Saiyan 3 related Saiyans in the past, including Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Vegito. Anyhow, tonight we're drawing the original Super Saiyan 3. Super Saiyan 3 has been one of my recently shown favorites ever since it first came to be on Dragon Ball Super. Well, this was the only time I got to see it. The Super Saiyan 3 kind of reminds me of a lion's mane, which kind of reminds me that it has the body design, that it has the hair and the eyes of a lion, which is kind of very amazing if you ask me. Seeing a lion related Saiyan, even though they're apes. Super Saiyan 3 has been a huge change on the Super Saiyan lineup. I haven't exactly had a plan to draw Super Saiyan 3. I was planning on drawing it right after Super Saiyan 4, which I already did. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to watch that channel episode afterwards. I know it's been a long time, but I just became a member for the American Museum of Natural History. Yeah, it's been that way since my college years. There we are. Here's the rest of his belt. This was long before he grew his tail back. This form came long before Primal Ultra Instinct. Let me just erase this. There we are. You have to make the shirts very, very thin. Now you just draw this part here. That's his leg. Draw his foot. That's where his shoe is. Last thing to draw, and that's the rest of the lion's mane, otherwise known as Super Saiyan 3 hair. I don't even know why I call it lion's mane. It just really looks like a lion. just erase this. Sorry, that part makes it look like a child drew it. Alright, so that takes care of that. Now for the rest of the hair, let's draw this part. Now we draw this. Here's the rest of his hair. There he is. There he is. That is how you draw Super Saiyan 3 Goku. I gotta admit, he looks kind of amazing in this form. Imagine if they came up with Super Saiyan God with red hair. Well, Super Saiyan 3 God with red hair. That'd be something worth watching. I think I saw it once. It's like Bardock turning Super Saiyan God with red hair. I think I saw that once. If you guys find that picture, can you please point it out to where it is? I feel like I should draw that. Anyhow, that is how you draw Super Saiyan 3 Goku. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and point out to where and when and what kind of fighter you want me to draw next. I'm always here, and be sure to let me know which one of these fighters you want me to draw next. Good night, guys.